Top 5 indoor plants for home decoration. Looking to brighten up your home naturally? These 5 beautiful indoor plants are perfect for adding greenery and elegance to any space, without too much care. 1. Snake plant, Sansevieria. The snake plant is one of the easiest to grow. Its tall, upright leaves look stunning and it helps purify the air too. Place it in a corner or near your window. It survives in low light. 2. Peace lily. Peace lilies are not only beautiful but also bring a calm and peaceful vibe to your room. Their white flowers add elegance and they need only weekly watering. 3. Zedy Plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia. The Zedy plant is nearly impossible to kill. Its glossy leaves stay fresh even in low light. It's perfect for offices, bedrooms, or any low-maintenance space. 4. Areca palm. This plant adds a tropical touch to your room. The areca palm loves bright spaces and needs regular watering. It grows tall and fills empty corners beautifully. 5. Pothos, money plant. Pothos is one of the most popular indoor plants. It grows fast, trails beautifully, and is believed to bring luck and prosperity. You can hang it or place it on a shelf. All these plants not only decorate your space but also purify the air and boost your mood. Which one is your favourite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more plant inspiration.